In this video, I will show you how to close inactive tabs in Chrome browser on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Chrome browser on your iPhone. At the bottom, you will find an icon with number that shows number of active tabs open. Just tap on this icon and you will find all the active tabs. Now scroll to the top and you will find an option Inactive Tabs with number of tabs open. Now tap Inactive Tabs. So these are the tabs that are not used for the last 21 days or more. Now at the bottom, tap on Close All Inactive. You will get a confirmation prompt. Just tap on Close All and this will close inactive tabs in Chrome browser. Closing inactive tabs in Chrome browser on iPhone improves performance by freeing up device resources like memory and CPU, leading to the faster browsing and reduce risk of crashes. So that is how you can close inactive tabs in Chrome browser on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.